Did you know that reheating certain foods could be stealthily undermining your health, energy, and independence? For seniors over 60, this common kitchen habit might be accelerating joint pain, brain fog, and fatigue, and the culprits aren't what you'd expect. Today, I'll expose the 3 dangerous foods you should never reheat and reveal 3 powerhouse meals that become even healthier when warmed properly. Stay until the end, your vitality depends on it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for life-saving senior health tips. Number 1. Oatmeal, the gut-brain superhero. Reheating oatmeal isn't just safe, it's a strategic health hack for seniors. When cooked, cooled, and rewarmed, oatmeal undergoes a magical transformation: resistant starch formation. Cooling cooked oats converts their starches into resistant starch, a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. This process improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, critical for diabetics, and reduces systemic inflammation linked to arthritis and heart disease. Heart and brain benefits. Beta-glucan, a soluble fiber in oats, lowers LDL cholesterol by binding to bile acids, while its slow-release energy prevents midday crashes. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition show seniors consuming oatmeal daily have 30% lower inflammation markers. Comfort and customization. Top reheated oats with walnuts, omega-3s for brain health, or blueberries, anthocyanins for memory. Pro tip: add a dash of cinnamon. It enhances insulin sensitivity and circulation to stiff joints. Number 2. Vegetable soup. The immune system's ally. Homemade vegetable soup becomes a nutrient goldmine when reheated. Slow-cooked veggies like carrots, beta-carotene, spinach, iron, and tomatoes, lycopene, break down further, releasing bioavailable nutrients that combat chronic inflammation. Turmeric or ginger in soup inhibits COX-2 enzymes, easing arthritis pain. Hydrate and nourish. Seniors often struggle with dehydration. Soup's liquid base replenishes electrolytes without overtaxing kidneys. Fight infections. Garlic's allicin boosts white blood cell activity, crucial for aging immune systems. Pro tip: store soup in glass, not plastic, to avoid endocrine-disrupting chemicals when reheating. Number 3. Brown rice. The silent guardian of aging bodies. Reheated brown rice is a senior superfood. Cooling overnight increases resistant starch, which balances blood sugar. Resistant starch slows glucose absorption, vital for managing diabetes. A 2021 study in diabetes care found seniors who ate cooled/reheated rice had 20% lower post-meal glucose spikes. Strengthens bones and nerves. Magnesium in brown rice supports bone density and prevents nighttime leg cramps. Gut health. Feeds probiotics like bifidobacteria, reducing constipation and bloating. Pro tip: pair with steamed broccoli, vitamin K for bones, and olive oil, anti-inflammatory fats. Foods to never reheat. Hidden dangers exposed. Number 1. Cooked mushrooms. The digestive betrayal. Reheating mushrooms transforms their proteins into toxic compounds. Risks include protein denaturation. Mushroom proteins restructure into hard-to-digest forms, causing bloating or nausea. A 2020 study in food chemistry found reheated mushrooms lose 40% of antioxidants, leaving seniors vulnerable to inflammation. Bacterial growth. Improper storage breeds Bacillus cereus, a toxin causing vomiting/diarrhea in frail seniors. Fix. Eat mushrooms fresh. Swap with lentils, plant protein, or roasted chickpeas, fiber plus crunch. Number 2, eggs. From nutrient-rich to oxidative nightmare, reheated eggs oxidize cholesterol, creating harmful byproducts, oxidized cholesterol, linked to arterial plaque and cognitive decline. A Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry study found reheated scrambled eggs contain 50% more oxidized lipids. Rubbery texture. Overcooked proteins irritate sensitive stomachs, worsening acid reflux. Fix. Eat eggs fresh, soft-boiled/poached. For protein, try tofu scramble. Soy isoflavones support heart health. Number 3, white potatoes. The glycemic time bomb. Reheated white potatoes spike blood sugar and promote insulin resistance. Double glycemic hit. Cooling then reheating increases their glycemic index by 25%, per American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. This exacerbates neuropathy, tingling feet, and fatigue. Acrylamide formation. High heat reheating creates this carcinogen, linked to nerve damage. Fix. Choose sweet potatoes. Reheating boosts their vitamin A, eye health, and fiber. Conclusion. Your kitchen choices today shape your vitality tomorrow. Reheat oatmeal, soups, and brown rice to fuel strength, but banish mushrooms, eggs, and white potatoes from your microwave. These steps mean fewer pills, sharper mornings, and more joy in your golden years. Backhand index pointing right. Take action now. Share this video with a friend battling fatigue or joint pain. Subscribe and watch next. 3 vegetables that secretly sabotage seniors' hearts. Together, let's rewrite aging, one smart meal at a time.